In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add account on Ctrader. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from the Ctrader platform home screen to a brand new account that's ready to use, with clear pointers on what each screen means and how to avoid common issues. First, open Ctrader. You can use the web platform in your browser or launch the desktop app if you've already installed it. Make sure you're on the official Ctrader environment and that your internet connection is stable. Having the latest version of the app helps because broker lists and buttons can change slightly with updates. Next, log in and select Start Trading. Sign in with your Ctrader ID so the platform can load your workspaces and broker connections. Once you're in, look for the Start Trading option to enter the main trading interface. If you have multiple workspaces, don't worry. Choosing Start Trading simply brings you into the area where you can manage brokers and accounts. Now, select Fusion Markets. You'll see a list of available brokers. If Fusion Markets doesn't appear right away, use the search bar to find it quickly. Selecting Fusion Markets links your Ctrader ID to that broker's environment so you can create and manage accounts under that broker within Ctrader. At the top right corner of the screen, click New Account. This opens the account creation panel specifically for Fusion Markets. The button is easy to miss on smaller screens, so maximize your window if needed. Clicking it will bring up a clean form where you'll enter a few key details. Enter the required information and create the account. Typical fields include choosing live or demo, selecting your account currency, setting leverage, and assigning an optional account name. Make sure your personal details match what's on file with the broker so verification goes smoothly. Double check your base currency and leverage before continuing, as both affect how margin is calculated and how profits and losses are displayed. If the Create button is disabled, scan the form for missing fields or validation messages. When everything looks correct, agree to any disclosures and click Create Account. In many cases, the account appears instantly in your Accounts panel. If you don't see it, refresh or relaunch the platform, as some setups require brief broker side approval. That's it. You opened Ctrader, logged in and started trading mode, selected Fusion Markets, clicked New Account and filled out the form to create it. Keep your credentials secure, confirm your new account is visible in the accounts list, and consider starting with a demo if you're testing settings. Thanks for watching and happy trading.